September this year felt like December, and October feels like January, so I am filming this now. It's my 2025 Yelp Elite Squad Badge / Yelp Elite Squad Member My Year Summary. Today is Thursday, 9 October 2025, and here I, Tanis Coralee of Seattle, talk about receiving / attaining the 2025 Yelp Elite Squad Badge / Yelp Elite Squad Member designation and my approach to writing and publishing on Yelp for the 2025 year. It marked my 6th year being a Yelp Elite. I have a miniature KitKat bar, also different spellings can, no space on the wrapper and then a space on the bar. I can see if that's true, if I remember. And as I'm going to have one as a summarize. So it's been a slower year for me. And they rolled out something where if one's active enough in a certain way, you can get on like kind of all-star status for a month, which I got for July 2025, or in August 2025 for my July 2025 Yelping. I've done less reviews. I'm currently between 30 and 40. I'm in that range. I think I have 36 Yelp reviews. And so I've taken it, so no space on the wrapper, space on the bar. As a little bit of a slower pace in terms of adding new things. I've been doing something I haven't really done in previous years where I've pushed to get a bunch of new places. This year I've done a little bit of that. However, I've really emphasized nice and crunchy wafers. I've really emphasized returning to places and making sure to check in at the places I go to. And thinking about, if my experience and my review is still reflective of the place. Is there a YouTube video I can make? Is there a product to explore? Are there pictures to add? So taking and kind of slowing it down on the review writing side of things to flesh out my skill set and other things. And I've been first to tip on a number of businesses, and at least one rather large business. So there's little gold nuggets I've found throughout the year, kind of like that. It's been, and I've been on top of each day I go in and I check my friends' activity, and stuff. And so I've been really on top of it in terms, I would say, of being present, even if, as in using the platform, even if not writing and publishing new reviews. So I'd say if there's a first year where it was just really freaking clicked or fit as a home in terms of not being afraid, I have to put reviews out. This was that year. I got into complete control of that compulsion with the proof of having, as of 9 October 2025, less than 37 cumulative reviews for the year. Yeah, I got on top of it. I conquered that fear. So that's been pretty cool. So in that sense, it's been a spectacular year. So there we go. And that was a good early morning treat. It's 42.5 calories or something like that. Hey, not breakfast time yet. so it's a good early morning. The tiny bit of caffeine and the chocolate to wake me up. And I love milk chocolate. And I think it's a Hershey's. Was it Hershey's Land? Yeah. Is Hershey's my favorite chocolate? There we go. My favorite chocolate as of filming this is Hershey's milk chocolate. People are like, what? And I'm like, I don't know if I've had a favorite chocolate before. That's a starting point, if nothing else. So there we go. That's a 2025 Yelp Elite Squad Badge / Yelp Elite Squad Member My Year Summary.